So unnatural.
It'll feel natural. Eventually. I said it'll feel natural. Eventually.
When we do it, you're gonna have this one. There you go, just like that. Good job. Good job. Good job, Wes. Good job, man. Perfect. Right? It's awkward. It's extremely awkward, and it's not something that I expect you to learn and be able to do proficiently today. You are going to do it. All right? And we're going to shoot this way too. Now, what you're going to do is I'm going to have you transition. So you're going to do the opposite. You're going to move your left thumb over. Now move your right thumb over. Slide your left hand all the way forward, just like your normal shooting grip. There's your grip. Good job. Good job. It is awkward. It'll take a little bit of practice. So now you're in a regular shooting position. On my command, move the right thumb over. Move your left thumb over. Slide your right hand forward. Finish your grip. Good job. Remember, on this one, your right hand is going to be, your right fingers are going to be over the top of your left one. It's identical as the other grip. So, all right, now we're going to go to the opposite. Move your left thumb back over. Move your right thumb. Slide your left hand forward. All right. This time around, I'm not going to give you the individual commands. I'm just going to tell you transition. All right? All right, here we go. Transition to your left hand. So remember, your thumbs are always first when you do it. Good job. Everybody's getting faster at it. Transition back to your right. Good job. Good job. Transition to your left. Good job. Good job, Wes. Nice. Good job. Perfect. Last time, move. Transition to your right. All right, here we go. Go ahead and load and make ready if you need to, or if it already is, reholster. All right, we are shooting left-handed. So, what you're going to do, go ahead and make sure it's loaded. You are going to draw with your right hand when I say fire. In low ready, transition to your left, then bring it up to your target, and fire whatever the sequence I give you. Does that make sense?
One or two-handed?
Two-handed, only two-handed. We're going to practice two-handed reaction shooting. So when I say 3 to the chest, shooters ready, you all shoot ready. When I say fire, draw normal, point it in low ready, transition over to your left hand, bring the gun up, fire those. Shooters ready?
Ready.
Fire! Take your time transitioning. I don't want that gun coming out of the other hand. So now you're going to transition. Right, so if you're empty, then just do it like that. Alright, when you're done, you'll reholster.
I don't even know where I hit.
If you have to load, go ahead and do a admin reload on this next one. When you do the admin reload, you can do it normally. So you can put it back into your right hand and do it like normal and holster. All right? If you need to, you can do it right on the next sequence.
My shots are out.
You good?
There. On the 7.
All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
3 to the chest, transition to your left hand. Shooters ready?
Ready.
Right. Good transition. job. Good transition. Take your time. Perfect. Yeah. And it's that bag.
Yeah.
Doing all right.
Work with it. There you go. Go ahead and transition. Good. 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 All in the A box. Good job. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to transition one more time. 3 shots to the chest. Shooters ready.
Ready.
Red.
Oh, that was perfect.
What's up?
If you
That
reload,
was
reload
perfect
like
way to
normal.
reload.
Good job. Good job. So let me ask you this, when you're drawing from your bag, do you find that the bag kind of lifts up when you do it? So what you may want to do is, on your draw, you may want to grab this with your left hand when you pull the gun out. That way it won't shift up. Good job. All right, how are we doing on full mag? We need to reload? All right, let's quickly go back and reload. Grab your magazines, anything that fell. We'll quickly reload. Sandbags. I saw that too, but they're dirty.
Angle in like that.